who go come out for this world come talk say no get problem. Everybody get his own problem wey the warrior wey him carry for head wey dey disturb am. Instead of people go tackle their own problem wey full their house, wetin you go dey do? Pium, dey search make you come dey look for another person problem, make you come carry am gossip dey talk. Something don see something wey full your eye, something dey your eye, you no blow am out, but you wan blow another person eye where something enter. You carry very heavy big load wey you dey search person wey go help you carry am down. You come to somebody wey carry small load, you say you don get strength to carry am down. Abeg make una leave people alone. Dey tackle your own problems. Make you no dey chook your eye for another person problem. Dey chook your eye for another person house, another person family, another person business. Make una mind your business. Make una mind una business. This thing na problem wey dey wahala me. You no go mind your business. Sometimes that person no be one village wey una from. Sometimes no be your sister, no be your brother. Many of them say no be, you know they do the same business, but you know the rest. You no go leave that person alone and mind your own business. Or you dey search everywhere to get information, make you come scatter that person, gossip about that person, make you come disgrace that person. That is wetin some people dey do for this world. Mind your own business, abeg. Mind your own business. Carry your load down before you dey carry another person load. Settle the problem wey dey around you, wey dey your house, before you go come dey put mouth for another person family problem. Una no dey like my talk, but I dey my own talk na truth wey I dey talk. Something wey dey disturb me na the thing wey I dey bring out here. Leave people alone. Mind your own business. You get problem pass that person. You dey hide your own, but you dey expose another person problem, another person own. Abeg, mind your own business. Settle your own problem first. Settle your home before you go settle another person home. That is my own advice today. May God bless you. Wepụ anya n'ụlọ mmadụ, wepụ anya na nsogbu mmadụ, wepụ anya na business mmadụ, wepụ anya na family mmadụ, wepụ anya na nwunye mmadụ, wepụ anya na di mmadụ. Kpawa ihe gbasatara onwe gị, kpawa ezinụlọ gị, kpawa yourself. Settle onwe gị first. Onye ara sị na ya agba ọtọ, onye ara agba ọtọ na-aga, ofu onye isi dị mma, ọ sị na onye agba ọtọ. Abeg, go be the person. Change you.